Earning money is like carrying buckets of water every day. If you stop carrying, the water stops coming. Making money is building a pipeline. The pipeline takes time to build at first, but once it's built, the water keeps flowing, even when you're not carrying buckets. And that's the difference between how most people live and how wealthy people think. Most people spend their lives carrying bigger and bigger buckets, but the people who build wealth, they focus on building pipelines. Let me explain. Imagine you stop working today. How much money will you make tomorrow? For most people, the answer is zero, because they trade time for money. No work, no income. This is called earning money. But people who make money think differently. Instead of selling their time, they build things that continue producing money even when they're not working. For example, a YouTube channel, a website, a digital product, an online business, or an investment. These are called assets. An asset is something that keeps creating value and generating income long after the work is done. Think about a YouTube video. You spend a few hours making it today, but it could get views for months or even years. That's a pipeline. Most people focus only on today's paycheck. Successful people focus on creating systems that continue working even when they aren't. And here's the best part. You don't need to be rich to start. You can learn a skill, create content, build an audience, sell a digital product, start a small online business. The goal is simple. Don't just work for money. Build things that work for you. Because the fastest way to stay broke is needing to work for every dollar you earn. And the fastest way to build wealth is creating assets that keep producing value. So stop asking, how can I earn more money? Start asking, how can I build a pipeline? That one question can completely change your financial future. Keep your eyes open. Value over noise. See you in the next one.